Hello guys, welcome back to Code with Khan Developer. In the last video, we will learn media tags. Today, we are going to build real registration form step by step using HTML. Today's learning point is form tag uses input type, text, email, password, placeholder, and required attribute, pattern validation, phone number, file upload system, HTML form submission. I will code and explain at the same time so you can understand both theory and practical clearly. Now open your VS Code, create file form.html. Now create your basic HTML structure, shift plus exclamatory mark and enter. See here your HTML basic structure. So I'm creating form container inside the body. We don't need action, so I'm removing this text. Enter. Now, what is form tag? Form tag is used to collect user data like name, email, password, and send it to server. Now, Now I will add input field inside form container. Input type is text. Placeholder is enter your name. Placeholder means hint text inside input box. Add required field. Required. Required means user must fill this field before submitting. Now I will add email field. Input type email. Sorry. Placeholder is enter your email. Required. Email type automatically checks correct email format so user cannot enter wrong email. Now I will add phone number field. Input type text. I'm adding pattern. Pattern. Square bracket 0 dash 9 curly braces 10. What is mean by pattern? Pattern means we are adding custom rule. Only number allowed, exactly 10 digits required. Placeholder is enter your phone number. So user cannot enter invalid phone number. Now I will add password field. Input type password. Password. Placeholder is enter your password. Password required. Sorry, required. Password types. Password types hides the text for security purpose. Now I will add file upload option. Input type file. This allows user to upload file like images or documents. Now I will restrict this to only image. Input type file accept accept image image accept image means now user can only upload image file. This is used in profile picture upload systems. Now I will add submit button button type is submit register. This button submit all form data. Now let's combine everything into a complete registration form. I'm adding, type here heading. Heading is registration. Our registration form is complete. Now let's test our form. Save this file and right click, open with live server. Wait for a second. Yeah. Click submit button without filling data. See required validation is working. Enter wrong email. Email format is automatically checked and see here this error shows. Please include an at the rate in the email address. Enter enter wrong number. Click register. Pattern is blocking invalid input. Check. Please match the requested format. File upload is working fine. Check. Add here number. Then submit your form. Your form is working. So let's do quickly revise. Form, collect data, placeholder, hint, text, required mandatory field, email auto validation, pattern, custom rule, file, uploaded, feature. Now your task is create this form, test all validation, try different input. This is how real front-end development works. Keep practicing daily. Keep practicing daily because practice is what makes you strong in front-end development. If you enjoy this class, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more coding lessons. And if you have any doubt, just comment below. I will help you. See you in the next class. Keep coding, keep learning.